Hi guys, in today's video, I don't know what we're doing, but these people are gonna tell me.
Why are we both recording a YouTube video?
I don't know.
Bro, what are we doing here? You kidnapped us.
When were you in here?
Where's the
I don't
guy
remember
with
you
the
being in
crown?
here.
Oh, bro.
I know he just joined. Today we are recording a YouTube video with 4 people. Well, 3 people, including me, which is 4. We're just gonna be doing like the normal stuff.
Yeah.
What do y'all want to do first? Want to do huh?
Dogs.
Hold on. Let me get my web shooters.
No, not dogs.
I hate dogs too.
Yeah. I mean, I could maybe like
Wait
give
there.
you some snipers, maybe.
No, bro. I'm barely got any aim, bro.
Should we do the crown mode first?
I've never heard.
Oh my god, bro, that was last second. Bro, I had it like, for the whole entire game.
Sure, buddy. Okay, guys.
Huh?
Can we play horror maze? Are we doing?
Can we play Dark Forest? Can we play Dark
We can
Forest?
do horror maze.
Can we play Dark Forest?
Dark Forest, guys. Dark Forest.
Yes, Dark Forest.
Dark Forest.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
I want to do dogs.
I have it. Guys, go. Come on.
Fine.
Come on. Okay, so we're currently loading in with 4 people. Okay, I'm in.
Everyone in?
What's up?
Yeah, I'm in.
Where's the other guy?
Other guy, what? The 4
The
people.
other guy that was in here.
Deer.
There's a deer already, bro?
Hey guys, could I make the base?
Can someone give me a scythe? Can someone give me a scythe?
Let me get a size real quick.
Can someone give me a scythe?
I'm bringing a guy over here. Did I just hear a bomb go off?
I can't afford a scythe. Where's a scythe? Scythe I can't afford. Wait, hamster, can I have a scythe? Can I have a scythe?
Sure.
Thanks.
What does this do?
Oh, thanks.
I think that's
So just
Oh
the
wait,
potion?
that's I thought it said potion, not poison. No, someone else can take that. I want that.
I'll take it.
drink it.
No, bro, I'm gonna destroy
My gosh,
it.
fine, I'll drink it. I can't drink it. Did I drink it?
I'm so smart.
Oh, I drinked it. Nothing's happening.
Should we make our
No, I
base?
sold it.
Should we make the base? Where's that other person gone?
This guy's making.
Staying alive. Uh-oh, that's a deer.
Gosh, I just ate an apple.
Bro, what you did? You're gonna die.
Upwards.
No!
Oh my.
Hey, guys, I'm gonna heal you guys. I'm holding you.
Or just get there. Run.
Oh my gosh! Get off me!
No!
I did not know to do
No, my
anything.
sign.
No one take my guns, please. How do I revive? Oh, I revived.
Yo, bro. How did you do this?
I killed a deer.
Bro. Panda. How did you do this? Got no blocks.
Where are you guys at? Oh my god! Oh, what is that?
That's the mimicker. He's gonna rush us. He's gonna run into you. Wait, there's a troll. Bro, stop.
Bro, you can easily get out.
Pee my pants.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll place it
Bro.
back.
I think I just peed my pants, to be honest.
You can easily get out, though.
I'm joking.
I know, but like just in case if somebody just wants to like walk, not just like jump. I mean, I can easily get up,
You can
but like I just like to make it for like decoration and stuff.
Okay.
I don't know that.
The deer is almost
impossible to kill.
And why are you doing that?
On your face.
Wait there. I'm covering it up.
And by the way, if you dig in these,
Oh my god. It's just,
in these,
it's like in the way.
oh, I'm following you.
What do you mean is in the way?
Like, it's.
Yo,
I
that's
don't.
why I made a base.
Help! No, you need to come. Don't run. Don't run. Bro, I can kill it. Drink that.
Hey guys, that's why I made a base.
Take it in your mouth. Yeah. Ooh, what is this?
Hey guys, that's why I made a base. Let me start building over
That's
there.
what I'm talking about. Come. Look. You gotta go fast. That's the thing I'm talking about.
You kidding me? I have to do this for all of it?
Hey bro, that's why I made a base. So you don't have to worry about monsters eating you.
The dude's
Even though I
right
have
there.
a sniper and stuff.
But he can't kill you. I have so many. What is this? What does an apple do? I don't know. It just gives you more.
Hey guys, I'm making a bridge over there.
Oh wait, I just ate it on accident. I did not mean to eat it. Well, I probably needed it. Well, I actually.
I see you.
If there's holes in the base, I'll fix it. Are there any blocks? If you see a hole,
Do you think I'll
then
make it to
don't worry.
if I run? Do you think I can make it to you if I run? Yeah. You're on that big tree.
Hey guys, I made a bridge.
Come.
Bro, why are you breaking the base?
Who, me?
Why are you breaking it?
Here, it's safe.
I'm not.
What if they get up using the bridge?
Why are you breaking it?
Work.
Well, I'm not, bro. I needed blocks, bro. I needed blocks. I'm sorry.
Well, you have to mine into our
I-
base? Bro, put it back.
What the?
Where's
I can't. How do you do that?
Put it back. Oh, damn, bro. Put it
Wait,
back.
hold on. How do you do that? I can't.
Oh. Bye-bye.
How?
No, listen to me. So this is like the physics. Sometimes if you don't be
I was
here
trying to fill
on the
that up,
house, you can't see
but
it.
then I ran out
There's
of
like
blocks.
a big room here. Bye-bye.
Wait, can I
You
dig
can't
down?
go here.
Can I dig down?
You can't go here, okay?
In here, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So I wanna build walls around the like tiny city over there, so we could make.
Where's the deer in a minute? I'm gonna kill them.
I have done this 1,000 times.
Oh.
Go down there. So like,
That's how you do it.
Give me a kiss!
I see
No!
Oh, that's how some people die.
Can I come in this house?
That's too close. Die. He's dead.
Thank you.
Here.
Where's my gun?
You handsome, come back here. I'll kill you. That happened. Here's ammo. I'm sorry.
Alright guys, I'm gonna have to go soon. What's this bridge lead to? Death. Of course it leads to death.
oh, that bridge is leading to the city over there, and I'm gonna build walls
Bro,
around.
I'm wearing a jacket in here and I'm wearing a jacket on VR and I'm running super fast and I'm getting sweaty as heck. Bro.
Yo, so this bridge is so there. So over this
Oh my
lava,
gosh. Bro.
so over this lava is the city, and where the city is,
Oh,
I'm gonna
I'm-
build walls.
Do you think I can make that jump? Wait, bro. Wait, no, stop. Stop building. I'm gonna see if I can make that. Oh my god.
I wouldn't have.
What y'all doing, bro? What y'all doing?
But I
I'm
want
just-
to revive.
Drink this, drink this, drink it.
Oh, oh. I'm coming to you. I want my gun back.
I see you. Do you know what's happened to me?
Get up here.
Who do you see? Keep it up, bro. Who do you see, Steve?
Can I come up? Can that deer come up
Somebody
here?
left their gun here. Somebody left their gun here.
Don't take that gun. That's mine.
Bro, you left your gun.
I know. I didn't want it to find the lava. Where is it? Do you have
I
it?
left it. Yeah, I literally said I had it.
Thanks. Get up here. Bro, can the mimic and can the deer and the mimic come up here?
No, they can't.
I'm gonna try to lead them up here.
Why are you trying to do that?
Cause I want to. It sounds fun.
What time is it?
Mimic, where are you? I want to give you a kiss. Mimic, I want to give you a kiss. Alright, yeah. Guys, have you guys ever spawned Herobrine or tried to spawn Herobrine in Minecraft? Oh, the deer.
Guys, I'm gonna have like nothing on me so I can go.
I'm gonna run it on my truck star.
Hey, Mimic.
Hey, you're big bag.
Mimic, I want to give you a kiss. Hey, Mimic.
I'm gonna run it on my truck
Mimic, I
star.
want to give you a kiss. Mimic. Mimic. Man, he doesn't like me. Deer.
I'm gonna run it on my truck star.
You, I'm right here. That deer is blind. I'm legally blind. Guys, I play Gorilla Tag too.
Yeah, I played Gorilla Tag all about that. Let me cook, guys. Let me cook. Hey, guys.
Alright, guys, you have to go. Guys, you have to go. I'll be in this code later.
What? What? What?
Oh, you just scared me. What's that? What is that? My God! Chill!
You've never been in Dark Forest before?
Oh, you've never been in Dark Forest? I have.
I just forgot. I'm trying to put ammo in my gun. I can't put. It's not letting me put the ammo in my gun. Oh, I
You're
knew.
not gonna take this.
Hello?
Hey. Oh my
What?
God! That scared me. Here, let me give you.
How does
I want to give you a kiss.
how does it, I don't get it.
How does kiss?
How does the deer not see you,
I
bro?
literally just gave the deer a kiss.
I feel like I'm gonna die.
Come on, bro. Get up. Get over here.
Okay.
Yo, I wanna make
at you.
my own
No,
base
don't-
inside of the base. Is that
I'm over here.
Let me give you a kiss.
Drink the potion.
I found the potion. And I'm dead again.
How?
Cause I took
can you see me? Oh my, oh crap, run. Bro, you need to run, cause this guy needs to chill, bro.
You have to go. We can just go later.
Block it off.
Yo, where's the second person at?
Who, me?